Didn't even ask me what I wanted. You made dumb assumptions. Clearly not your forte. Clearly don't be fucking. You've been fucking lying.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're already a subscriber, welcome back, and if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification button so that anytime I post a new video, you get notified. Do not forget to follow my Instagram, my personal Instagram page. It is real tea. You're gonna be seeing it on your screen, and I'm a makeup artist too, if you don't know. Alright, so you can do go follow my makeup page to Face by T. Alright, so yeah, let's get ready. So today's video is just gonna be like a beginner makeup kit, you know, some makeup stuff you need as a beginner. Why am I saying you know? Are you guys noticing? Anyway, so I'm just gonna let you guys know what to buy. You got I don't know if you understand me, but I'm just gonna tell you everything, like from step to step, the things you need. So let's get right into it. To begin with, you know, so many of you just, you know, you just wake up, you clean your face and you apply makeup. It doesn't work like that. It's not done anywhere. I mean, it's done in your homes, but I'm here to correct you. Before you do apply, you move ahead to your foundation and stuff like that. You need to prep your skin. You need to prep your skin for the foundation, for the makeup. And when I say prep, I mean you need to use your moisturizer, you need to use your primer, things like that. But today I'm just gonna be showing you guys what I use. So to begin with, the first thing you need to do is get a wipe and a cleanser. I know you all know I can't really find my wipe like I would have shown it to you, but I'm sure you know what a wipe is, right? So first you need to wipe your face. It doesn't matter if you are just like, you know, right from the bathroom. Still clean your face. Do it. Clean the face, okay? So this is my moisturizer, Neutrogena, and I don't know if you guys can see. This your moisturizer should be oil free. Trust me, our face produces oil, we sweat. So imagine using a moisturizer but contains oil. It's just gonna, am I making sense? So use an oil free, and I mean especially for the oily skin people, you know, my people. Well, I'm very cautious when coming to, you know, me prepping my skin. I need everything to be dry, because me going back and forth, I'm just gonna start to, I'm not really sweaty, but I'm oily. You get it? So your moisturizer should be oil free. Alright, you can use any moisturizer, just make sure it's oil free. It doesn't contain oil. And if, did you hear that? That's my tummy. What the fuck? I didn't say that. I mean, what the F? You get me? And please, your moisturizer, just use a little bit. You just don't want, you know, don't make it like a pomade. Just a little bit under your eyes and stuff like that. The next thing is a primer. One of the most important stuff, and then people skip it, and I'm just wondering, like, how are you gonna, you know, be keeping all this makeup on your face without a primer? Explain it to me. Like, how'd you do that? So I use Rimmel Stay Matte Primer. You get it? I like, no, for me, like just me, like me personally, I use Stay Matte Rimmel London. You get me? It's just gonna keep you dry. It's gonna, you know, help you not to sweat, you know, hold back the oil, and everything like that. All right, so first you need your moisturizer, second your primer. Hope you're taking notes. Are you? good. Now we move to your foundation. You as a beginner, you just need like one or two, you get me? So just try to get a foundation which is your skin color. And one most important thing, you guys need a beauty blender. You know, I'm sure by now you all know what a beauty blender is. A beauty blender, that sponge, you get it? Please, when you buy a beauty blender, just put it in water for some time before you use it. You know, just soak it in water and squeeze it. You just don't want it dripping, and then you don't want it dry, otherwise it's just gonna take the product. Okay, so just dissolve it in, is dissolve the right word? Dissolve, put it in water, you get to put it in water and just squeeze it before you use it, right? And when it comes to brushes, you just, you know, we have so many sets of brushes, but you just need a little bit. No, you just don't need all the makeup brushes. First, you need a foundation brush. Pardon me, my foundation and my brushes are a little bit dirty because I used it to apply my makeup. Foundation brush, a flat, you know, thing like that. There's a foundation brush, that's what you use to apply your foundation. You can choose to use your beauty blender or your brush, anything that works for you. All right, and you need a concealer brush. All right, this is what I use. It's a little bit fluffy, just, you get it? That's what I used to blend my, you know, what am I forgetting? Why? As I was saying, that's what I used to blend my concealers. All right. So guys, I wasn't really clear with the brushes. This is a powder brush. This is the big fluffy brush. This is used to, this is for applying your powder, things like that. Not a certain powder though. And this is a concealer brush. You know, this is what you use to shape your eyebrow and stuff like that. This is it. And what else? This is an angled you know, brush. This is what you use to apply your contour and your blush. This is a foundation brush, the flat, I already said it in the video. And this is a concealer, but this is what you use to blend your concealer and stuff like that. This is an angled brush, a small angled brush. This is what you use to contour your nose and stuff like that. Yeah, and so now we are moving on to concealers. After your makeup, after your foundation, you apply your concealer, and I advise you to get it in 2 shades. A shade which is 2 to 3 shades lighter than your skin, and then a shade which is 2 shades darker than your skin. You get me? So this is for contour, and this is, you know, to brighten the face. You know, the most common concealer around is the LA Girl Pro concealer. It works for me, seriously. I have a lot here, you can see. Yeah, so you can buy that because it's very cheap and affordable, right? So just go for that. Just get a shade which is a little bit brighter. And am I making sense? This is a setting powder. You know, I'm sure you guys have seen that, right? So that is a setting powder. You need a setting powder to set where you place the concealers and things like that. So you need this a little bit brighter. Let's say a shade, not 2 shades brighter, a shade brighter than your skin. All right. Next, you need pencils. You need a black pencil and a brown pencil. But as a beginner, something you're doing it like personally, you just need to get like 1 or 2. You have to get like just this. like for two black pencils, 2 brown pencils in case one get lost. Pencils to line your lip and to draw your brows. Next, you need a powder palette. Not this big. You know, we do have just like we do have that little ones. It's just single. You know, just find a shade which is your color. You just don't need something big like this. Next, you need a setting spray. People do not think people believe it's not really important. It's important, baby. You know, after your makeup, after each layer of makeup, when you apply your foundation, you spray. When you apply your concealer, you spray. And when you're done with your makeup, you do spray, because it's just gonna make it blend well. You know, everything is just gonna come together. And when it comes to eyeshadow, you just need a nude eyeshadow. You don't need a colored eyeshadow, trust me. Just get a natural, like a nude makeup eyeshadow like this. You don't really need to be applying colors and stuff like that. Alright, just try to get yourself some lashes because it's a mess, and get yourself a lash glue too. When it comes to the lip, you would just need like a brown pencil, a nude lipstick, and lip gloss. Seriously, you don't really need something as a personal and a red lipstick. You know, people love to put on red lipstick or something like that. You also need a mascara and an eyeliner. These two is like you need it in your life. You can't go without these two. So finally, you need to add a cleanser to your makeup kit. You get me? When you come back from work, a party, any event that you applied makeup, only wipe cannot take everything off your face. Wipe cannot take everything off your face. So that's all you need. You just need primer, moisturizer, setting spray, foundation, concealer, pencil, brushes. I showed you the type of brushes you need. Nude eyeshadow, lashes, lash glue, mascara, eyeliner, cleanser, beauty blender, and you don't know what to buy. This I've given you everything you need as a beginner, like everything you need to use on your personal self. So guys, that's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed every bit of it. Hope you learned something. Hope you took something out of the video, and let me know what you guys think about the video. You know, down the comment section. So my personal page on Instagram is realty, and my makeup page on Instagram is face by T. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and let me know what you guys think down the comment section. Let me know what you think. Oh, that's the end of the video. I will see you in my next video.